When you take a shower, the luxury is, the experience and the feeling you have with the shower under the prerequisite that you are really saving water. So with the brand AXOR and with the Hansgrohe company, our products, you can save water, but the experience is the same. The most important thing is the individuality in the bathroom. Now everybody in the world would like to have her or his personal bath. So as a brand like AXOR, our offer has to be very individual. This is starting with different styles because everybody has a taste and the tastes are very different. So you have to offer a style and a collection, maybe very traditional or very avant-garde and modern. And this is what we have with the brand AXOR. So it's the individuality that we are offering. The other thing, as I mentioned, is sustainability. So people would demand water and energy-saving products. They would like to know where the products are coming from. In our case, it is Germany. They want to have the quality. But I think that individuality, this is the thing that changed most. And to bring the warmth and the coziness of the living room into the bathroom to make it a nice place for sure. AXOR One is the collection we developed together with the designers Barbara Oskeby from England. And it was our common aim to have a real minimalistic collection. We asked ourselves, what does minimalism mean for the element of water? And what is the most minimalist and the most original way of transporting water? In all centuries, in all cultures, it's the tube. And therefore, our design is a tube. Now, we could achieve to have a very, very small tube because for the first time, we don't have the cartridge inside the mixer body. It's underneath. It's, it's on the wash basin. And therefore, it's a good example, combination on the design from our famous designers and the ideas of our German engineers. And this is the secret of AXOR One. We wanted really to have a top luxury collection in the AXOR range. It was inspired by an ingot of gold. So what you see here, these are different, the cuboids are different ingots of gold. This was the idea. We wanted to have the best finish that is possible. So this product, for example, this spout, is treated with a machine. This is an ultra-precision machine by a German company, which is normally used for the mirrors of satellites. Therefore, we are doing this with a diamond, so it's a diamond cut as we call it. We need, for 7 spouts, we need 4 hours. This was also inspired by Jean-Marie Marceau. And therefore, AXOR Edge, this is our, a very top luxury collection with AXOR. Objective we had with my edition was to have a product, a mixer with the best possibility for individualization. So we talked with our friends from Phoenix Design in Stuttgart, and the idea was that we separate the mixer into 2 parts. So you have the body and you have the plate. You can choose among our different finishes and you can have it, for example, you have the plate brushed and you have the body in polished. But in addition, we have several materials. We have, for example, wood. This is American walnut coming from the northern part of the United States and Canada. This is treated by a specialist in Germany who is doing luxury yachts and luxury planes. Then we have black glass, we have mirror glass, we have black marble, we have white marble coming from the Italian Alps, and we even have leather. From our offer, you have more than 500 different combinations. This is really the top of individualization. Therefore, it's called AXOR My Edition. This is our latest collection that we presented for the first time in Milan at the furniture fair. The designer is our friend Antonio Citerio, and C is standing for contemporary design. It's a very sleek, it's a conical design, very light. You can have it with structures, so then you touch it, you don't have the fingerprints, also for the 3-hole. And it is starting, you cannot move it in this direction. It is always, if you want, starting with the cold water We call it a cool start, and then you move it to the hot water. We have different sizes for the single lever mixer. We have a 3-hole mixer. We also have a mixer out of the wall. We have a shower module, and we even have a hand shower for this collection. So yes, I think this is a very, very promising collection for the future, and also something that is really apt for the Middle East countries. The taste in the Middle East was to show off and to have a lot of gold. This is no longer the case. There is, I would say, also younger generation going for the minimalist design, but may in a bronze or in a gold finish. I think it's the task then of the interior designer. You know, we have an international worldwide design, but they are using in the Middle East their heritage. And so when they are furnishing, when they are designing a bathroom with the materials, with the shapes and so on, then this is something special for the Middle East. It's a combination by an international design and what you get from your culture, from your very old culture and from your heritage.